what I am explaining to you. Now India is going to be one because India is not India, it is Mother India. Mother India because it is mother of the all countries of the world. Because India teaches, try to live like mother. How mother nourishes children. At the end, mother is having own food. Exactly in the same way, this is Indian heritage. That Indian serves all persons. At the last, Indians are ready to eat. Therefore, remember, India does not mean this India which is geography of India. India is a philosophy. Indian heritage is philosophy. In this we learn how to honor others, then after that self. And how this science came. It is because India's education was how to practice science of death. Means how to seize your heartbeat and convert into zero, how to make your breath into zero, how to make all metabolic process in suspended animation state, then how to activate it. This is the science which was present in India. Now this science is going to spread in all over the world. Now other sciences will look like kindergarten sciences in compared to Kriya Yoga science. Therefore have no any fear. I told you already, where this movement is there, Yogananda is there. Yogananda demonstrated suspended animation state. Therefore you should have no fear of any kind. Just practice it. This is highest science. This is highest education. I feel honor to be with the N.C. Bajpayee Sahib here because you do not know why he is here. Mahatar Baba, Lahiri Mahasaya and my master Swami Tesagiri gave me internal inspiration. He should be here. And we selected date 29 because 2 is the balance. There are 2 legs, you can walk balance. 2 arms, you can work balance. 2 eyes, 2 ears. And 9 is the top number. After 9, there is no numbers. After that, 10, 11, 19, like this. Therefore, this date was selected. And when I requested him, this is the date which I feel internally is okay. With great love, N.C. Bajpayee Sahib accepted, okay, this is the best. Now he is here, and I am telling you the future is bright for all. Future is bright for bad persons because they will try to become good. Future is good for good person because they are trying to become more and more good. Future of plants will be very good because nobody will cut trees. Future of animals will be good because slaughtering will stop in future. Nobody will eat meat in future because it will create cancer and problem of all kinds. Therefore, future of all creations will be bright.
From the ordinary to divine. This is the capability of human mind, of human endeavor, which only human species has got it. No other animal, no other species on the planet has got this intellectual faculty to transcend the boundaries of physical self and to merge your intellectual being with a superior being by whatever name you might call it. गोस्वामी तुलसीदास जी ने बड़ी अच्छी बात कही. उन्होंने हमारी रामायण में लिखा है कि बड़े भाग मानुष तन पावा, सुर दुर्लभ सदग्रंथन गावा, साधन धाम मोक्ष कर द्वारा, पाई न जहीं परलोक संवारा, ते परत्र दुख पावहीं, सिर धुंधुनि पछताएं, काल ही कर्म ही ईश्वर ही मिथ्या दोष लगाएं. Roughly translated, it would mean that human being is a very splendid being. It has got the body which is the portal of all the great achievements beyond life. And those people who do not utilize this hardware, this body in the proper direction, and when they fail, they either blame their bad stars, their bad actions, or their luck. But when the time passes, nothing can be done. This is the vehicle which can take you from an ordinary being to a divine. So, how can it be done? You can do it. There are various dimensions, and one dimension is Kriya Yoga, which is so ordinary in its methodology, but so deep in its appeal, which is so affordable, and yet you can achieve through it all those things which at one time seemed to be unachievable to you. There are various approaches to find God. Some people take the bhakti, some people take the jnana, and some people take the purity of heart by purifying their own faculties, and that is also a sadhana. Now in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna has said, Sanniyamendriya gramam sarvatra sambuddhaya tre prapnuvantu mamev bhakti sarvabhuta hite rata. Now those people who are in the control of their intellectual capabilities, which of course one means is Kriya Yoga. Those people who are in control of their mental faculties and who have a super intention of serving all the living beings, they also come to me, they also merge in me, they also find me, they also achieve me. So therein lies the importance of Kriya Yoga, and I think by constantly practicing, by constantly being engaged in the practice and the thought and the discipline of Kriya Yoga, at one time or the other, would be sooner than later, maybe you are able to realize that you are getting out of your physical self, you are getting out of the boundaries or the limitations of your physical self, and you are poised for achieving higher things in life. Now, if each one of us purifies himself, if each one of us emancipates himself or herself, then the whole society gets emancipated, then the whole community gets emancipated, then the whole nation gets emancipated. And when the nations get emancipated, the result is what Swamiji said. There will be no threats to crops, there will be no threats to flowers, there will be no threats to butterflies, there will be no threats to human beings, and then we would be at the threshold of a new world, which will be a very different world order from the mundane world order of today. So I am not going to keep you away from your sadhana, and I don't want to be in between your practice and Swamiji. I once again feel very grateful that I have been given these few very valuable moments to come here and to be with you. And I wish, I pray that in whatever you are doing, you, your friends, your family, your own self, your acquaintances, all will achieve in whatever you are trying to achieve, and you will follow and you will progress on the super highway of Kriya Yoga under Swamiji's leadership. Thank you so much.